And when Florida first began administering the COVID-19 vaccine, few vaccination sites were available. And restrictions made getting a shot a challenge, especially for certain minority groups. Since then, the vaccine rate has improved within the immigrant community of Central Florida. But as News 6's Carolina Cardona reports, there are still lingering concerns about getting the shot.
There's all these myths about, will it change my DNA? Will it have certain side effects? How was the vaccine created? And does that have some sort of negative effect depending on my religious beliefs?
Hope Community Center in Apopka continues to tackle misinformation on social media about the COVID-19 vaccine. They say health concerns is still a topic among the immigrant and Latino communities, including Jessica Ramirez. When it's something new, we don't know if it will be effective or not, or if it will have a negative effect on our body. Jessica Ramirez, a native of Mexico, said, I did have a lot of doubts, especially because you see on social media a lot of negative things and mistrust about the vaccine, she said. After medical experts came to her workplace at the Farm Workers Association of Florida, she says those concerns became a thing of the past, and she is now fully vaccinated after educating herself and talking to doctors.
What we want to focus on now is continue doing education. We should all get vaccinated. It's the only way we're going to be able to get it under control. I get vaccinated. I'm still here.
The Farm Workers Association and Hope Community Center have been working to provide vaccination events and educational opportunities for minority groups.
The pandemic really highlighted some of the health disparities that our system has. Farm workers in general don't have access to health care, and they have a lot of barriers, including transportation, language.
People have a completely different attitude when they're able to ask questions in their language and get very direct answers from a medical expert.
In Osceola County, the fight to clear up those doubts is ongoing as well.
Now what we're seeing is more of the why should I get vaccinated. Some people are still confused as to, when it gets in my system, does it affect my DNA? And that's a realistic concern.
I still speak to people who tell me, I'm scared. And I said, well, you have nothing.
Scared of what?
That's what I said. And I said, what are you scared of? No, I don't know enough.
Orange County Commissioner Mayra Uribe says officials are putting their efforts on mobile vaccination sites. She also wants her community to know if you've recovered from the virus and believe you don't need a vaccine, you're living with false hope.
One, we've seen people get sick more than once. I tell people, don't take comfort in knowing that. Take comfort in getting a vaccine and making sure you're protected.
In Orlando, Carolina Cardona, News 6.